How to make custom feeds on Bluesky Social. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create custom feeds on Bluesky Social. Custom feed allow you to see the contents based on specific interest or topics, which gives you greater control over your social media experience. To get started, first of all, open your Bluesky application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the top left, you'll be able to see 3 horizontal bars. Tap on those 3 bars and then from the side menu, here tap on this feeds option. Once you select this feed option, you'll be presented with your feed. Here now you can customize it by tapping on the edit option at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be able to arrange your feeds. Also, if you would like to add more pins here, you can simply come back to the previous page. Here scroll down and find the one you are looking for. Once you get it, tap on it to open it, and inside it, tap on the pin to home button at the top right. Once you do so, now this will be added to your custom feed. Return back to your feeds, then tap on the edit option at the top right. And then now here you'll be able to see your saved pin. Now if you would like to arrange it, you can tap on this arrow facing upward and downward and then arrange your feed. Once after arranging them, tap on the save button at the top right, and after updating, tap on this home button at the bottom left. Now here at the top, you'll be able to see your pinned feed. So this is how you can make your custom feeds on Bluesky Social. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.